Hello everyone, welcome to this video about Arable protocol. In this video, we'll be covering as much information as we can about Arable protocol within just 5 minutes. So let's begin. Arable protocol is a multi-blockchain yield farming DeFi protocol operating on the Avalanche network that allows you yield farm on multiple blockchains at once on one platform. With Arable protocol, new crypto enthusiasts who are thinking of earning passive income via yield farming can jump right into it and avoid the confusion of farming on different blockchains. Because each blockchain has a different mode of operation and development structure, it can be quite confusing to get a proper grip of how to yield farm on these different blockchains. The use of bridges to try and move assets from one blockchain to another can be somewhat confusing for newer investors. More so, these different blockchains have their different gas fees attached to yield farming, with some like Ethereum being a lot more expensive than others. And considering how vast and robust the crypto world is, having yield farms on multiple blockchains can be very overwhelming to manage and is prone to mistakes due to natural human error when managing multiple tasks. Arable protocol brings all these problems together and completely erases them by letting you and I manage all our yield farms on one platform while still earning the same passive rewards that we would get if we were farming on each individual blockchain. Arable protocol also reduces the number of bridging fees and gas fees that you would normally have to pay when moving tokens from one blockchain to another. There is only one 0.3% fee on every synthetic swap, and that's the only fee you have to pay, which is cheaper, saves a lot of time and stress, and reduces the chances of mistakes happening, especially for new investors. So how does Arable protocol do it? Using synthetic assets, Arable protocol is able to provide the same yield farming experience from other chains on its platforms. These synthetic assets are pegged to the same value of their native originals. The synthetics are identified with the prefix AR added to the native token name. And there are tons of these synthetic assets, including high use case tokens like Bitcoin, or even more casual tokens like Dogecoin, all on Arable protocol. The protocol also has its own synthetic stablecoin called ARUSD. These synthetics are backed by the Arable native token called ACRE and other assets like USDT and AVAX. Arable protocol gives investors multiple ways to make passive income on the platform. They could choose to go with the default synthetic farming, where ARUSD is purchased on Curve Finance using stablecoins like USDT or USDC on the AVAX network. Once ARUSD is secured, investors can now choose from the multiple synthetic farms available on the platform to swap their ARUSD. Once the new synthetic asset is secured, the synthetic assets will be in the farm generating passive yield, and these rewards, which are paid out in synthetic assets, can also be swapped back to ARUSD, which can be returned back to stablecoins on Curve Finance. Investors could also mint ARUSD to earn passively. All the fees charged from synthetic swaps will go to the protocol, and a share of those fees will be given to the minting rewards pools for minters to share. Investors could also deposit LP tokens to get rewarded in ACRE. ACRE is the governance token of the Arable protocol, so investors have the opportunity to be a part of the decision makers of the platform while still earning passively. ACRE tokens can also be delegated to validators as well, which provides yet another way for investors to earn validator rewards from the protocol. All these are a few of the benefits offered by the Arable protocol. So this brings us to the end of our 5-minute tutorial. I hope you've been able to learn a lot about Arable protocol, and I can't wait to see you earning passive yield on Arable protocol.